Hi guys, welcome back to our challenge, guys. Today are 22 of our World Pilates challenge, guys. So make sure you balance on the wall, make sure you balance nicely. Today we are on day 2, and guys, we are pushing, we are getting there slowly but sure, guys, ne? So all right, guys, what I love about this whole Pilates, guys, it directs, you will feel the bend direct on your abs, on your stomach, guys. So make sure you balance nicely, make sure you won't feel the back pains, make sure you won't be sliding on the floor, make sure you are still in kahle, guys, ne? So that's our first round. As you can see, guys, we are pumping here. We are targeting mostly our lower body. So give me 20, guys, give me 20, give me 20. Let's push. All right, we are pushing, guys, we are pushing. Give me 20, give me 20. Must be feeling it on your abs, feel it on your stomach, guys. We are getting there slowly but sure. All right, let's gather some energy. We gather some energy, guys, we gather some energy. Then we move to our round 2. Breathe in, breathe out, guys. Breathe in, breathe out. Gather some energy, because we are getting there, Anne. All right, so our next move, okay, that's our next move, guys. Can you see? So yeah, let's get to the workouts. You are crunching your abs, guys. You must be feeling it on your abs. Give me 20, guys, give me 20. Let's push. Come on, guys, let's push, guys, let's push slowly but sure. Don't listen to the pain, just ignore the pain, ignore the burn, and focus on what you are doing. Because what I can tell you, by the end of this challenge, guys, everyone will be happy, everyone will be smiling. All right, gather some energy. Breathe in, breathe out, guys. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's gather some energy. We are about to go to our round 3. All right, balance nicely. Okay, we are dealing with that stubborn fat, guys, on our stomach. We are dealing with that stubborn fat. What I like about these workouts, guys, we are toning your glutes in the same time. At the same time, your glutes are being toned, guys. So yeah, that's why I love this World Pilates challenge, because the glutes will pop, guys, ne? All right, so yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching, for engaging in this challenge. I'll see you guys tomorrow.